Here next to the scrap pile is an old Ducane central air conditioner. Looks very similar to a carrier round one. And I've seen many units like this, but I've never seen a Ducane of this model. Got a chip in the blade there. The compressor is a Bristol recip. Don't think much of it can be seen due to the positioning of the motor, but this is a 2.5 ton model from 1996. And you can see the capacitor right there and the contactor. It's a straight cool system. I don't think it worked anymore. I'm not sure if it died or if it just wasn't working because of the blade. But the coils seem to have stayed in decent shape for as long as it's ran. And for the most part, it hasn't rusted out. The grill is slightly rusty, but it's nowhere near as bad as other older units I've seen in the past. We got this ICP right here. The blade fell down into the unit, and that is obviously not the original blade. I would say this is from about 2004 or so. And that's a Goodman, also from about 2004 or 2005. I think that one's a heat pump. Yeah, I just figured I'd show this real quick.